Candied sweet potatoes, yum, yum. Hi, I'm Susan. Today, I'm going to turn this into one of those wonderful treats, candied sweet potatoes. It's my mother-in-law's recipe. I used to help her every year until I cut my finger. Then she wouldn't let me cut the potatoes anymore. So if you like content and recipes like this, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload videos. And leave a comment. Tell me what you think. So without further ado, let's get started. Today is Thanksgiving, but these wonderful, delicious candied sweet potatoes can be eaten at any time. And I peeled 3 great big old sweet potatoes, and my husband cut them in half and put them into wedges. And I'm just going to parboil them. I just want them to be fork tender. And so I'm just going to put these on the boil. I didn't put anything in it, just the sweet potatoes and water. And then I'm going to parboil it until I can get it tender. So I'll see you then. Alright, my potatoes have cooked enough. And now I'm going to give my baking dish a good coating of butter. Now I'm just going to move these to my dish. I got too many for my dish. I want to sprinkle with pumpkin pie spice. Smells good. And with cinnamon. You want to cover with granulated sugar. As my mother-in-law used to say, you don't want to even see the sweet potatoes. And now you want to sprinkle it with some brown sugar. This will make a 1 syrup. You can barely see the potatoes. A bit more on this side. And now we just pat it with butter all over. I'll put these in a 350-degree oven, which I've already had it preheating, and I'll cook for about 25 minutes until the sugar's melted and it looks syrupy. And I'll see you then. Here it is. In all of its sweet, syrupy glory. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Ring that bell so you'll be notified when my videos have been uploaded. Leave a comment. So until next time, bye y'all.